must understand that 99% obedience is rebellion. The call is to perfection. Now, I know you hear that and you're like, I can't be perfect, nor can I. But that's what I'm striving for. I'm not hedging my bets. I'm not saying, Lord, your will applies to my life except in this area. This is what Paul said in Galatians, that he lives a crucified life. Galatians 2:20. I have been crucified with Christ. It is no longer I who live, but Christ who lives in me. And the life I now live in the flesh, I live by faith in the Son of God who loved me and gave himself for me. To be a disciple of Jesus means that we have died to ourselves and our will for our lives. We now live in obedience to whatever his will for our life is.